Hello again, this is Professor Hartley, and now we move on to another video tutorial for creating your Blogger page for or your Blogger website for our class. And in this case, I'm going to show you how to embed files into a particular page, which might be, an important thing for you to be doing along the way. It'll be a required thing for you to do in the final web page project that you do at the end of the semester. So it's a good thing to be practicing with this as you go along. Now, on our class page, I will probably update this by the time you see it, but here's the page on setting up your response blog. And I will scroll down again. One thing I've found is that if I scroll too fast, it can be kind of disorienting for the person watching the video, so I'll try to do that more slowly. Embedding media into your Blogger page. That's what we'll be working on today, and we'll be taking a look at images, videos, Word docs or other text that you can cut and paste into, or you can actually embed Word documents into here, but we'll take a look at that. PDF files, PowerPoint presentations, Google Maps, and so on. There really isn't much limit to, if it's available on the internet, there's a way to get it into your web page. And in many ways, if it's available on your computer, there's a way to embed it. There are some limitations, but that's generally true. So let's get back into Blogger, and I created this. I'll probably be dipping in here from time to time as we're going through, but right now we're going to create a new post, and I'll just show you as we go along how to do these things. So right now I just pasted in a pre-typed title, Embedding Media Files into Blogger. I'll publish it. And when you publish or update, you'll see it brings you back to the list of your posts. So you want to go to the one you're currently working on, go to Edit, and it brings you back to the editing here. So right now I'll put caps locked, I'll type image, return a few times, video, and for right now in this one, I'm just going to work with image and video. I'll update the page as I go to some of the other features. I don't want this to be too long for any particular feature. For instance, if you're wanting to embed PowerPoints, I'll make a specific shorter video that will be still using this page, but it'll be a video all of its own. So right now, image will update. And again, it brings us back here. I'll come back into Edit, and I'm coming up into the tabs above in the browser and show you another feature. Oh, that's an old one. I'll close that page out because I haven't yet gone. Let's go back. Okay. See, here are some of the things you'll find as you work your way through. When you click on View, it's going to open a new tab or window depending on how your browser's set up. So here's the new one, and right now here's what you just saw me type. Here's the title I pasted in, and these two particular categories here, these headings. So let me get back into here, go back to Edit. Some of these features are built right into the Blogger format, so they're very simple to embed. Now, one of the things I'm finding is that if you, not so much with images, I can see, but with videos, for some reason, when you go up and click on the video link, it actually posts the video above the word. The word is riding along the bottom, and I'm not quite sure why that is. At least it was the last time I did it. So for right now, I'm simply going to put my cursor next to the image, Word, press return. That brings me back down. Click on the little image icon here, and there are many places you can get your images from. Again, because this is a Google application, it's going to try to keep you coming back and back to there features, but you can really get them from your webcam, from the internet, from your blog. This particular blog has a folder with media files, so if you click that, it would take you to that. Right now, I'm going to just get one from my hard drive. I'll choose Black Panther, open. It's loading it, and it's loading it into that folder that I was telling you about. I'll add selected, and there it is. And you probably saw it started to open it larger and then brought it back down so that we can see it in this page. Let's update it, and it brings us back to here. But instead of pressing view each time, I will just come back to the tab and reload the viewed page, and here we go. Here's the image. Now that's in there. And remember, it gives you a link to the image, and it brings it up into this hovering space here. You can X your way back out of that and get in here. Okay, now to the video. Very much the same thing. Go to Edit, and this is the case where, at least the last time I tried it, I'll experiment a little more and update this if I need to. I was having trouble keeping the heading at the top of the media file, and it wasn't working out visually the way I wanted it to. So I've returned. I'll just do that again. You go to the end of your heading, return, and now here's the little movie file, video, and I'm going to use, you have these various, you can upload from your computer, just drag and drop right into this field. From YouTube in general, you can type in a URL or just search for a word. I'm going to use from my YouTube, and here are some of the videos I've already created for you for Blogger here. So here it is, and let's update that. Brings us back to here. Now let me see what happens if this opens another window. No, it doesn't. Okay, so it takes you to the window that's already open. So either you can click on that or just go over to the tab, and then here's the video, and it'll actually start playing. Welcome back. I'm not sure if you could hear that. I have headphones in, so I don't believe the sound went through to what you can hear at this point, but it was actually playing the video. Okay, so for this particular video, I'm going to leave it there. I'll bring you back to the editing file. I had the title, the heading in this case. You can have whatever you want in here, of course. I'm just doing this to keep it organized for the purposes of this tutorial. And we had the image upload with this particular button and the video upload with this one. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.